It begins with a keynote, engaging students and identifying those ready to create real, lasting change. With those students coming forward afterward, willing to dive deep, it's time to get to work. In intimate breakout sessions, we navigate through multiple exercises and activities designed to detach the negative emotions from past traumas that have been clouding our vision. Then, with newfound clarity, students collaborate, crafting solutions for their peers to rally behind, paving the way for a shift in school culture. The synergy continues at the staff workshop as we breathe life into these solutions. After all, a student-made solution put into action starts a movement. We then open the gates to the broader community, sharing our visions and garnering invaluable support, setting the stage for an all-inclusive culture shift. And finally, it's time to launch the movement, a unified stride towards a common goal, cultivating a nourishing and inclusive culture where everyone thrives.